Hello and welcome to this short presentation looking at Accountant in Business for ACCA F1. My name is Jo Ryan and I'm a subject matter expert at BPP. During this session we're going to be looking at what is covered by the F1 exam, having an overview of the syllabus, and then we're going to have a look at the way it's tested through the exam format. So firstly then, an overview of the 6 syllabus areas. F1 fits into the accounting qualification as a foundation which feeds into papers P1, Governance, Risk and Ethics, and also P3, Business Analysis. Some students will be sitting FAB as the top tier of their FIA ACCA qualification, and others will be sitting it as the bottom tier, or rather the first paper, in their full ACCA qualification. It absolutely doesn't matter which of these reasons you're sitting it for, all of the materials and the exams are identical. The exam here then is primarily aimed at testing knowledge, but some of the questions will also test basic application. So we've got 6 key syllabus areas within this exam, none of which can be deemed as the most important because all can and will be tested in the exam, as the exam aims to be representative across the different areas. So you need to make sure then that you're happy with all of these areas. You'll obviously find more details about the content of the syllabus in your course notes. But what we're looking at here then is understanding the purpose and the different types of businesses that exist and how they can interact with key stakeholders and also how they fit into the external environment. So recognising that they don't exist in isolation. Syllabus Area B then looks at the different types of business organisation structures and the functions within those, and also the role of corporate governance in supporting and keeping track of what's happening within the business. Syllabus Area C then is about the accountancy and audit functions within a business. So for example, audit in communicating, reporting and assuring financial information is very important in a system of effective financial control and compliance within an organisation. Syllabus Area D then recognises the principles of authority and leadership and how teams and individuals are recruited, managed, motivated and developed will be very important in ensuring success within a business. Then we've got personal effectiveness and communication as a basis for effective team and organisational behaviour. Finally then, professional ethics should be underpinned by everything. So all of the aspects of business and finance should be conducted in a manner which complies with and is in the spirit of accepted professional ethics and professional values. The F1 exam can be sat either by a paper-based or a computer-based exam. Both examinations are 2 hours and do not have any separate reading and planning time. Questions assess, as I've said, all parts of the syllabus, and some will test knowledge and some will test comprehension and application of this knowledge. In section A then, you've got 30 questions which are worth 2 marks each and 16 questions which are worth 1 mark, taking up to a total of 76 marks in section A. This is followed by section B, where there are 6 questions worth 4 marks each, so 6 multiple task questions worth 4 marks each, and there'll be varying requirements within those questions. And in order to be successful in your F1 exam, you're going to need to score 50%. I hope that you found this useful and that you enjoy studying the basics of accountants in business.